Here's the video on this Micromark 2-inch desk fan. Now, this fan has bad bearings. I'm currently using it as a cooling fan. Sadly, the fan does have quite bad bearings, and as you can see, it's quite yellow. Here, got a blade capping there, this badge, this, and the neck rocket. Not only that, but it sounds bad. You can hear scratching noises from the motor. Look, I'll start it up on low. Yeah, you can hear those scratching noises, can't you? Still is powerful. Media. It sounds awful. And high. Shaking violently. And off. So yeah, the fan has quite bad bearings. It's one out of my two fans. As you know, my Taurus fan has bad bearings. I think my Tatung just has stiff bearings. Same with the Galaxy. Both just have stiff bearings. Great fan nonetheless. I think the cause of this bad bearings is it was overused and quite possibly abused and left out in the sun by my uncle for over 30 years. I'm surprised it still runs. And it oscillates, but I'm not going to show it. Anyways, thanks for watching this video on this fan. I hope you enjoyed, and see ya.